Hey, you're welcome to my channel at Breezy NFT. So today we'll be talking about what? Binance. Binance, a wonderful platform that enables you to perform lots of magic. So, but before I commence, I hope you have watched my last video on how to use a keplr wallet to stack, swap, deposit, and withdraw. Hope you have watched that. If you haven't, I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can able to go back and watch it. But today I have something amazing for you, something that will help you ease your stress, which is the Binance app owned by CZ. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into the real deal. So if you don't have the app, you can go right there and go to the Play Store. When you go to the Play Store, as it opens, you go there, you search for Binance app. So here is it. So this is how it looks like. The Binance app is a wonderful platform that you can do wonderful things. When I mean wonderful, I mean wonderful. But I already have mine, so I'll just go back and then click on what? Binance. And here we are. Oh, it's a red day. What a poor moment. Yeah, we are doing the bear market. So if you have been in the crypto for a while now, you understand what that means. So but I'm here to take you on a ride on how to use the Binance app. In a nutshell, a tutorial on Binance app. So first of all, as I've told you earlier on, I will drop the link to the Binance app in the description below so you can get it for easier access. Yes, so we go right there, click on the top of the top left. So as you see, I've already verified my Binance app. So but without wasting much time, we will just dive right into the main thing of the day. So Binance is classified into two. We have the Binance Lite, and we have the what? Here is the Binance Lite, and the other one is what? The Binance Pro. Now I will tell the difference between the two of them. Now let us go back to the Binance Lite. Now Binance Lite, this platform is much more easier as a beginner. It enables you to do lots of activities like deposit, withdraw. You can check your earnings. If you wish to convert or to snap or to swap, then you just click on this middle button here. So you see, you can buy, you can sell, you can convert. So let's go on and click on buy. Now if you want to buy, here is a series of coin you can buy. Let's take for instance you want to buy BTC. Now it will tell you the amount of BTC you want to buy. You go ahead and click on the amount, then you click on buy. But if you know, here in my country we don't, cryptocurrency has been banned, so we do it the other way around. So without much time being wasted, so let me just go direct to swap. If you wish to swap or convert, will I say, so you click on this. It enables you to convert one coin to another, or if you have some BUSD left in your wallet or some USDT, you can be able to purchase some coin. Let me say for instance, if I want to swap my Solana, this one, I want to swap it to, let me say, to BUSD. Then I click on this. So I'll just go ahead, then click on max. As I click on max, then I click on preview conversion. So you have 5 seconds for this to be done. You click on convert. Now I end up converting my Solana to BUSD. So, and that has been done. You can go back to the home. Then this makes Binance Lite quite easier. But when we go back to our Binance Pro, now this is the platform that has lots of activity to be performed. Now, first of all, I want you to click on this more button. Let me expose you to lots of things that can happen on this platform here. Click on the more. Now it will tell you services. You have the recommends, the common functions, the gifts and campaigns, the trades, the ins, finance, information, help and support, and others. Now, basically, I will just talk about the trades. You have the spot, the margin, the futures, the convert, the P2P, Binance NFTs, swap farming, the calculator, fan token battles, and lots of you. These are activities that take place in the Binance app. Not just that, there are many and more others. Now let's take, for instance, you want to trade. Go to your spot wallet. Let me take, for instance, you just go to your BNB, and then you want to deposit. Now it will show you series of network. It will tell you what, choose your network. Ensure the network you choose to deposit matches the withdrawal network, or assets may be lost. This is a warning. You better check it properly, unless assets may be lost. I remember when I started this newly, I did not check the address properly. Oh God, I know that I lost, I think that was around that $30 or so. I lost that dollar at that moment, so I had to learn my lessons. So I don't want you to repeat such kind of a mistake again. That is the reason why I have come up with this video. So mistakes have been made by others, and mistakes will still be made by others. That's the purpose of this video, to correct the mistakes. So you properly check this. When you want to transfer it to a BNB BIP2, look at and observe. Now it says what? Please enter both memo and address data which are required to deposit BNB mainnet token to your Binance account. We click on OK. Now if you observe, the BIP2 BNB often starts with what? BNB, and has what? A memo code. So when this two is being fixed, you are certain and know that this will definitely arrive at the destination wallet. Now, aside that, we can also go to and check that of the Binance Smart Chain BIP20. Now, this often looks like the Ethereum address. It's tagged the OXA, depending on what you want to do. So that aside, so we can also check out the last one, which is the Ethereum ERC. So if you check that out, I told you that it always starts with OX. So withdrawal, same thing. You go to the withdraw to tell you what, withdraw, send via crypto network, or send via email /phone or /ID. If you want to use a wallet address, then you click on this word, send via what? Wallet network. Now it tells, the first thing you see there is the address. Now here you paste the address of the destination wallet. When you paste it, then the second one tells you what? Network. You choose the network you want to send it to. If the wallet is a BIP20 wallet, you let us know. If the wallet is a BIP2, you identify by clicking on the confirm. So ensure you check it properly to avoid losing your money. Now on this place, you choose the amount you want to enter. You choose the amount you want to enter, and always know that it always have a fee attached to it. It always have a fee attached to it. So always try to ensure you put the right address and the right network to avoid losing your money. Now, aside that, let me say for instance you come to your BNB, you want to want to know the markets. Now here is for your convert, right? We have talked about this. So let's say we are here on the spot trading. Let's say we want to buy AVAX using BUSD. So just as I told you earlier, that the limit helps you to set your own limit price. And let me say we are going to buy, just let me say, using 25% of what we have. So it allows you to set your own price. Then you click on buy. Now if you check down here, you'll see what our buy order. Now it tells you that when the price reaches 10, it automatically clicks on buy. It buys automatically for you. But at this point in time, we are not buying, so I'm clicking on cancel. I'm canceling the order. Now same thing when it comes to what sell. The same thing, when you have your AVAX you want to sell, you click on the price. Once it hits that price, same thing, you automatically sells and the money goes to your wallet. Now that is it for spot trading. So basically, when you go back and you want to, let me say, you want to check how the market is reading, you can click on this chart here. Click on this spot. Now it opens the chart for you to have a visual on how the market is going. As you can see at the moment, AVAX is currently at $30.60. So you can see it on your own how the market is going, moving up, comes down. So you have places you can set your time frame, the 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, 1 day time frame, and so have you. So you can still do that, and you can still check on the other books down here and see how it's rolling. So I'm just showing you around so you can know and check everything out before you can commence a full trade. So let us just go back. Now aside that, I want to lead you guys somewhere beautiful known as what the Binance NFTs. I love talking about NFTs. They're so amazing. I just love NFT. NFT is something beautiful that, oh my god, can I live without it? So let's go back. Now let's go and click the more here. And click on the more. You will notice there are lots of things here as I've explained earlier to you. Then let us scroll down. And there we are. Under trades, you can see what the Binance NFT. You click on the Binance NFT. Now this is a platform, and you all know what is NFT, right? NFT simply means non-fungible token. So if you have any coin, any NFT that you want to sell from Binance, so they have their own marketplace where you can list your NFT or buy NFT. So I've told you earlier on that I love the Binance app. It's an app full of wonders. It's just full of wonders. So basically, on this platform here, you can check out the mysterious box. Yeah, there are lots of things to be done here on the Binance app. So you can see them. You can see the collections. Wonderful Day Tiger is sold at the rate of $864,250. Wow, that's huge, man. Now the big time studio is sold at a rate of $147,618.82. Wow. So you can see them. So and lots more happen here. So you can go and list your NFTs for sale, or you can buy NFT and then keep it for yourself, waiting for the Mondays, right? So this is that for the NFTs. So you can view them on your own. The sneakers, you can see they are worth lots of money here, man. You can view them on your own. There are lots of money in crypto, but currently on the bear market, the market is recovering, and when it moves, believe me, it will storm people. It's gonna storm everyone. So just try to take advantage of the moment. If you are going to hold, make sure you are holding well. If you want to buy more and restock your wallet, please do that. It is very important. That's the opportunity. Can take advantage of the current situation and stock up lots of coins in your wallet for yourself. And believe me, the green days are going to be beautiful. So that is it, what I have for you for today. I believe that with this little tutorial and little review, I believe that you have gotten lots of value from this. And because I want to see you in my next video, I would love you to subscribe, hit on the notification bell, so whenever I get to upload a new video, you will be notified. And I believe that you have gotten lots of value and lots of info from this video. And don't forget to please share this video. It's going to be of help to lots of persons out there. So for the moment, let me show you guys the chart again. Oh god, the bear market. So I hope you all are holding up so tight. Please always check on your brothers, on your sisters, on your friends and relatives who are in the crypto bear market now. Then it's not easy, but always show love. Thank you for watching this video to this very end. I believe that values have been obtained from this video, and please stay safe. Thank you very much.